Today we're gonna play bird. I just went straight forward to that. Hey yo, what the? I'm a lion. I'm not a bird. No mind. Oh yes, my favorite color. Let's go. Oh, sorry about that. I guess this is like a role play. Why am I looking? My hand controls where I look. How they broke it his neck. Yeah. Oh my god, these are big jumps. How they broke it his neck so long? I love mom. Look there. How do I quack? Oh. I'm dancing. I like this game. The head is a bit disturbing. Why am I running? Ooh, ice cream. I was stuck. I'm stuck. Never mind, I'm not stuck. Donate. Hide. Music. Royal. Models. What, bro, got a giant bean. Bang. The grandmother. What do you mean, You can pick the people. How did you? You picked them killing me. How do I kill? I kill. Someone's killing me. Oh, we pick up people. Put me down! Oh, what the freak? Huh? The hell was that? How is bro's neck all red? Pick up. The head is all disturbing. Where's that little green bird? Where the freak did that little green bird go? How is this long? It just leads to a dead end now. This looks like a hand. Whee! There he was right there. The mom bird. Bro, stop picking me up. Oh, never mind. I'm picking him up. Bro left. I'm gonna pick you up. Utako! Bro, I'm trying to pick you up. What is happening? Am I picking him up or is he picking me? What the hell happened? What's the moves? Huh? From other birds, from other birds. Guess. What the hell? Giant effect potion, bird pools. Bird customized. Pictures. Bruh. Bruh.
On PC, go to the bird group and find model examples under experiences. Select edit in Studio. Open the toolbox and insert something you like. Drag your model into the main module in the Explorer. Right-click main module and select Save to Roblox.
What the?
Add a title. Enable Distribute on Creator Store. Then click Submit.
Huh?
Click these rectangles to copy the ID.
I don't want any of this. I'm stuck. Ooh, I want to pick him up. Bro, you just fell. Okay, I think he's good now. Bye.